Yeah, good morning. I'm Olatubos Ibrahim Akobi, live from Canada. If you guys could remember my discussion yesterday about volcano eruption. Volcano eruption is naturally occur incident, naturally occur disaster. Uh, is the major causes of wildfire. We can't stop volcano eruption. We can only control the activities by one thing: first was in advanced way, satellite monitoring. Second way, diversion of lavas, because we can't stop mostly magmas. So, and the third way is to clear the forest or bush between the national park and the mountainous area. So that's the only way. Bush clearing between the mountainous area and the national park, and make the diversion of lavas maybe into a pit or other place. That's the only way we can stop all this wildlife destruction in temperate region. So that's the only solution. They are naturally occurring incidents. So we can't stop molten magmas. We can't stop lavas. We can only divert them and control them and monitor them. So that's it. It's very simple. So that will stop property destruction and other things. Yeah, thank you. I'm Olatubos Ibrahim Akobi.